In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can order on Doordash. So once you download the Doordash app and register, ordering is pretty easy. So from the search tab, you're going to search for whatever you need. So let's say burger. So you're going to select the item that you want. So let's say we're going with McDonald's. You're going to then scroll down and search for whatever you need from the McDonald's menu or whatever restaurant you would have selected, right? So I'm just going to be going with chicken griddle. Here are the different side items that I can add. All right. And then these are the drinks that I can add. All right. And then you just go ahead and select add to order. Once you're complete adding stuff to your cart, you can go ahead and view cart. Then continue to check out. Here, you're going to select your address where you want the delivery to be done. So because I'm at home now, it say, hey, you seem too far away, but if I was close enough, I'll be able to continue and then make the payment. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.